What's up everybody, it's Patel here of Rap Ventures and Web Profits. Today I want to talk to you about the best SEO tools of 2019. I've tested hundreds of SEO tools in my 14 years of doing SEO and marketing, and these are some of my favorites. In my opinion, these are the best tools out there to help you do SEO. By the way, these tools, this list is in no particular order. These are, in my opinion, the 10 best tools. Number 1, Ahrefs. You can use it for keyword research, link building, identifying high traffic content, monitoring your competitors. I think it's really, really great and probably the most robust backlinking tool out there. Number 2, SEMrush. Also used for keyword research, but I think it's more of a competitor analysis and keyword research tool more than it is like a link building tool. So I actually use Ahrefs and SEMrush in conjunction. I use these tools to, let's say at Rap Ventures when we're buying a company, I'll look at that company we're buying, all their competitors, and try to better understand their landscape. It's a great place, great tool to kind of give you a good overview of everything. Number 3, Ubersuggest. Really, really awesome keyword research tool. Also could be used for keyword tracking. And I love this tool because it's free, right? If you don't have the budget for an SEO tool, this is a great place to go. Number 4, another freebie, Google Trends. This is a great tool for seeing how keywords are trending. In 2014, I wrote a book on growth hacking. It sold over 40,000 copies. I don't keep track. It still sells copies 5 years later. And I wrote a book on growth hacking, specifically growth hacking, because the trend was going up. If you look at the trend, it's starting to go down now. And I wrote it at the right time. It's no coincidence. I saw it when I was doing research in 2013 and 14. It came out the end of 14. I saw the trend going up, and so I took a chance. It's kind of like watching the stock market. Like, things are going up, might as well invest there, right? So Google Trends can be really great for that, and more importantly, watching things that go down. Number 5, BuzzSumo. Really awesome tool to see when you get a new link, when you get a new reference. Good for content research. Monitor your competitors' backlinks as well. Checking out how much social shares and things, what gets the most social shares in a specific keyword or space. So now you kind of have a better understanding of maybe what content type marketing or what type of content you want to create. Number 6, shameless plug here, Mailshake. I think it is a great link building tool. That's what we originally built Mailshake for. Now a lot of sales and marketing people use it, but whether you're trying to promote your content or do link building, really simple tool to get the job done. Number 7, Screaming Frog. Great SEO analysis tool. It's more for technical analysis. It can crawl your website, give you all kind of the stats and the inputs to what maybe errors and things you see in Google Search Console. Number 8, Authority Labs. This is my favorite rank tracking tool. Part of this is because I met Chase, one of the founders of Authority Labs, years and years ago at an SEO conference. He bought me lunch, so I tried the tool. I've tried many others, but they're not the same. They're not as robust. It's really good if you're an agency or you're tracking multiple websites, because you can track different websites and you get different reports and whatnot. Number 9, Yoast SEO plugin. Really awesome for quickly optimizing each page, whether you want to your meta title, your page title, meta description, the keyword usage on your content. It does a quick analysis on every single page and gives you a little bit of a rating. It's awesome because you can just keep tweaking and keep optimizing. And overall, you can optimize your WordPress site in minutes and not have to have your developers get involved. And number 10, TubeBuddy. I personally love this thing. It's used for YouTube SEO or video SEO. It can scan, just like Yoast SEO scans your content, your pages, this scans your video. It gives you a checklist. It lets you add notes. You can make different thumbnails really, really easily. So it's an all-in-one tool really to optimize your YouTube SEO. It tracks rankings on YouTube specifically. It gives you tag recommendations. They even have a transcription service. I use it all the time personally for my YouTube SEO. So those are my 10 favorite tools. Check them out. No affiliation outside of Mailshake. Thanks.